Hey guys, this is Varun from Creators Anchor, where I upload videos about creating content and how to monetize your content. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create dual photo editing with fade effect like this. So let's begin this video. Click on Create a Design button. Click on Custom Size. Type 1920 width and 1080 height. And click on Create New Design. Go to the Uploads tab and upload your own image. I am going to use this image I have already uploaded. If you are going to use your image, then you can remove background from image using this website. Now click on this image. Resize this image a little bigger like this. Go to the Elements tab and search Gradient. Click on this. I'm going to change the background color. Now click on here and copy this hexa code to change the background color. Click on the background and click on the color plus icon and paste this hexa code here. Now the color is changed. Resize this like this and position it like this. Now press Alt button on your keyboard and keep dragging to the below like this. This will create a fade effect. Now go to the Uploads tab again and choose that image again. Click on that. You can position it in front of this image. This looks cool. Now let's make it more creative. I'm going to change the color of man in behind. To select man in behind, press the Control button in your keyboard and keep clicking. You can see the man is selected. Now go to the Edit Photo and click on Adjust tab here. Scroll down and reduce the saturation. Reduce vibrance also. Now I think you will like this. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell notification icon so you don't miss out new videos notification. If you think I should create more content like this, then please share this video with your friends.